So in this video, you'll learn how to add a wireless debugging shortcut to the quick settings panel of your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36, and A26. So the first step is to ensure that you have developer options enabled. If not, then I'll leave a video linked in the description down below so that you can follow along and enable developer options. But if you already have developer options enabled, then this is what you need to do. Simply open the settings app, then scroll and select developer options. And once you've selected it, you want to scroll down until you find this option, quick settings developer tiles. Tap on it. Once you've tapped on it, you should see this option, wireless debugging. So all you need to do is just tap on the toggle like that to enable it. And so now whenever you glance at the quick settings panel, you should be able to see the wireless debugging shortcut. So you can use this shortcut whenever you want to quickly enable or disable this feature on your phone. If you no longer want to have that shortcut on the quick settings panel, then all you need to do is just tap on the toggle like that to disable it, and the shortcut will be removed from the panel. So it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to be using this feature on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.